Hi, welcome back to my channel. To all my fans and my returning subscribers, I'm sending to all of you a very big hug. Yes, today we are talking about essential amino acids. What are essential amino acids? Essential amino acids are those building blocks of protein that body cannot synthesize in its own, and therefore they must be obtained through diet. We have 9 essential amino acids which our body needs to function very well. Today we'll be talking about these 9 of them and how we're going to be getting them. First is histidine. Histidine is so important for the growth and production of both blood cells and tissue repairs. It also helps maintain the myelin sheath that protects nerve cells. Second one is isoleucine. Isoleucine is involved in the muscle metabolism and is heavily concentrated in the muscle tissue. It is also an aid of hemoglobin production and regulation of blood sugar and energy level. The third one is leucine is critical for protein synthesis and muscle repair. It also helps regulate blood growth and also stimulate the release of growth hormones as well. Lysine is the fourth one. This plays a crucial role in protein synthesis, hormone and enzyme production, and the absorption of calcium. It's also important for the immune function and the production of collagen and elastin. Yes, collagen that our body needs in all different body tissues. It helps. That's the functions of lysine. The fifth one is methionine. Methionine is important for the metabolism and detoxification. It also helps with the absorption of zinc and selenium, minerals, vitals, and other health benefits. The sixth one is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is a precursor for the neurotransmitter of thyroxine, dopamine, epinephrine, and morphine. It is also integral to the structure of the functions of the proteins and enzymes. The seventh one is tryptophan. It's also a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. It's also necessary for the production of melatonin and niacin with vitamin B3. This one helps us to be able to have a good mood, not be having a swing mood, and also for us to be able to sleep well and also have appetite for eating. So if you don't have tryptophan, you might experience some swing mood which are not good for your system. The eighth one is threonine. Threonine is important for the functions of the collagen and elastin as well. It also plays a role in the fat metabolism and the immune function. The ninth one is valine. This stimulates the muscle growth and regeneration and is also involved in the energy production. Now we have considered all these 9 essential amino acids. And what are the dietary sources for us to be able to get these essential amino acids? First of all, we must know that a complete protein source contains all the essential amino acids the body needs. But first of all, we can get it from animal products like meat, fish, especially salmon fish or any other feed that has omega-3. We can also get it from eggs. We can get it from dairies like milk, cheese, yogurt. Another place we can get it is from the soya product. Yes, soya bean. It have enough protein that gives the body a good essential amino acid. And another ones are tofu, tems, and edman. These ones give a good quality of essential amino acid. Quinoa and buckwheat is another good one. These are plant-based sources that are complete in protein, which our body can be good to go to sensitize essential amino acid. Combining of plant-based proteins can also give us good amounts of these essential amino acids we are looking for, especially legumes and grains like rice, and beans, hummus, and peters. These are plant-based proteins that we can get essential amino acids. Nuts as well are good ones. Nuts and seed will give us good ones. Nuts like peanut butter, and also a whole grain bread can give us not just a white bread, a whole grain. This whole grain is very rich in protein and good source of essential amino acids. So we have understand what essential amino acid is and where we can get it. So it's left for all of us now to have a good balanced diet every day to be able to do what? To have enough essential amino acid which our body needs to function well so that we can live a healthy life. But remember, what I'm doing right here is not that I'm a doctor, I'm a chemist. So if you have any ill health or health challenge, first of all, visit your physician or your doctor and your nutritionist for a medical advice based on your body morphology to be able to know the kind of food, fruit, vegetables you can eat at each given time based on your health. I still my humble self, Okuri Moses Ikechukwu. Please at the comment section, comment, tell us how you combine your diet each day to get the essential amino acid your body wants. And if you like the post, please comment, please give it a like, and also do what? Make a subscription of this channel so that whenever we drop any health benefits, any tips that have good lifestyle and healthy living, you will be the first to get it. Have fun and stay cool. Cheers.